And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide your following list from followers. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your following list from your followers, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram. So there isn't a direct way to simply hide all of your followers from your following list or like from other followers. So all you gotta do is simply tap on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner, simply scroll down and go to account privacy. There you can find the option called private account. Simply, if you turn the toggle to the right hand side, you will be able to simply make your account private. This will allow you to hide your following list from your non-followers. Your followers can still view your following list, but your non-followers cannot view your following list. They can only see the people that are in the mutual section. So this is how you can simply hide your following list from followers. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.